Secure every aspect of your digital routine with Kaspersky Small Office Security. For example, the Password Manager will help you ensure that nobody but you can access your accounts. It will also warn you if the password you've created is unreliable, prompt you to create a new one, and save it in encrypted storage. This way, all your passwords for websites, servers and applications, bank card data, documents, addresses, and notes are protected and only accessible on your devices. Do you pay your bills and taxes online? Safe Money will automatically launch a secure web browser, which will protect all your online payments, purchases, and other important transactions. Do you receive confidential documents from your partners or your bank, for example? Kaspersky Small Office Security lets you store all your important files in encrypted storage to ensure that they are never leaked. Regularly backing up data is also a good habit. Select a file type or folder you wish to back up. Specify the path where the file copies should be stored, either on a PC hard drive or in your Dropbox cloud storage, and decide how often you want them to be synced. Now you can rest assured that your data is kept safe and secure. We all make mistakes sometimes. For example, if you accidentally download encryption ransomware disguised as documents to your corporate file server, Kaspersky Small Office Security will instantly neutralize it. Learn more about how Kaspersky Small Office Security can help you protect your business at kaspersky.com.